get there! You'll make it through, Judy!
Please don't come. Just stay there. If you don't survive, my baby will die too. Just save my little girl. That's what I'm trying to do right now. Watch over her.